Now we get caught in our routines, right? And our brain gets used to doing things a certain way all the time, every day, and it's really important to change it.
Yeah, and taking time to think about daily activities is one that dementia prevention strategy. It's part of dementia prevention strategy. Health reporter Haley Hernandez is here to talk more about our brain health.
Yeah, so 1 in 9 people are destined to get Alzheimer's. So this is a really important subject, and that number increases as you get older. But your story can have a happier ending if you're willing to change some of your habits. I spoke to one local expert about ways to exercise your brain.
We have to exercise our brain. The old adage, use it or lose it, really applies to this.
Murnaz Gill from The Amazing Place says they offer a day program, family support, and resources. And we discussed how maintaining healthy sleep, diet, stress are among the pillars of good brain health. But you can also exercise your brain.
Simple things like changing your everyday routines, the way you drive to work, you just change it up once a week. Moving your watch from one wrist to another once a week. When you brush your teeth, if you're right-handed and you're using your right hand, change it up once a week and use your left hand. That's exercising your brain. These are very, very simple things that people can do in their everyday lives.
And of course, you can still use your phone apps to exercise your brain with mind games like puzzles and crosswords, or learn a new language with apps like Babbel and Duolingo.
What I would tell people is to always look at the research behind these apps, because some of them are research-based or based on longitudinal studies. They're done by universities. Those are the ones that I would focus on if I'm going to download something and use it, because they figured out how to work both sides of the brain. So that's really important.
And the best age to start exercising your mind is in your 40s and 50s. That makes sense. That's approximately 20 years before the typical onset of Alzheimer's and dementia, because experts know that the plaque in your brain that can cause the disease begins forming about 20 years before you ever feel symptoms.
Wow.
So yeah, I don't know how young or how old you are watching this, but it's probably not too late or too early to begin doing these things.
You know, it's always good to change things up, especially in your 40s and 50s, and this gives you another reason why.
Keeps you sharp.
Yep.
All right,
Haley, thank you.
Thanks, guys.